Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to making a video tutorial which is using by Android Studio, and I'll be make a calculator. Obviously, it will be a basic calculator. Just now I'll wait opening the Android Studio applications. Now here is the initial positions. It will be shown it. I just start the text view, and here I need to fix the linear layout. I'll be sorry, it's working very slowly, so I'm extremely sorry. Linear layout, I'll be fixed it. Then I should need the orientation, and it will be vertical. Then I need to write some. I'll be divided into 12 parts, and then I need to take the text view. Text view. I'll be given it the mass parent. It will be the mass parent, and all the overall positions it will be text. Then I'll be height. It will be 0 dp. I'll explain it after doing it or finishing it. That's why. Then I'll need it the height. I'll need it 8 parts. For this layout height, I will zero it. Height will be 0. Then I need to check the gravity, and gravity will be bottom to right. I'm sorry, it's take a time. Gravity will be bottom to right. Then I need to fix the ID of it. Display. I'll set up the dynamic display, and text size will be, I'll be given the text size 40 dp. Then I'll be given the background of it, and the background color is memorized to me. That's why I just write it right here, B, and then 6 E 3. I just put it here. It's complicated. Now I need to make the linear layout. Sorry, it didn't show linear layout. And here will be, I'll be set up the mass parent, then wrap content. The mass parent, and it will be the wrap content. Then I'll be here will be set up the on part of the main linear layout, and I need to divide it also 4 parts, where will be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and the plus button. And here I need to orientation again. Sorry, it's working very slowly. Orientation is working slowly. Orientation here will be horizontally. Basically it's finished. Now I'll need to take the bottom. The bottom will be, already I've said it will be divided into 4, and the bottom will be 1 We need to say that the height will be 0 dp and wide equal to 0 dp and height equal to mass parent. Then I need to wide layout wide. It will be on part. Then uh, text will be set up. It will be 1. Then I need to fix the ID of this button. The ID will be btn. The ID will be, again it's working slowly, the ID will be btn 1. And text size need to fix text size. It will be fixed 40 dp. Then I need to one-click method. I need to use the one-click method where method method 1. Yeah, it's complicated. Now I will copy it and paste. Just copy and paste in 4 times. Yeah, I will copy it. Now first bottom already it's right. In second bottom we need to text 2. Then it will be 2. Method will be 2. And here it will be 3. 3. Bottom will be 3. And the method will be 3. And the last of all, this linear layout need to fix plus sign, and it will be addition. That means add will be, and method will be method add. Yeah, the first linear layout is complicated, perfectly complicated. Now I just copy this linear layout and paste it in 4 times. I think I'll be paste 3 times, but it doesn't work. Takes a time. It will be finished. The 4 times I'll be take it, but yeah, 1. Sorry, sorry, it's more than, it will be 5 times. I'll be cut on linear layout. Why it doesn't work slowly? I didn't know. Yeah, I just cut it. Now alright, it's perfectly right. And I have to show that is it working or not. I just run it. Is it run? Just takes the time. Yeah, I think it will be run. Again it will take the time. Yeah, and it was successfully finished. Yeah, it's show the diagram, and I'll be again cut it, and it will be, then I need to, I'll sense those every keyword name. It will be the 4, 4, 5, 6, and it will be here minus 7, 8, 9, and it will be multiplication sign, and here will be 0 C for clean, and it will be equal for showing the result, and it will be addition. Already I've said it, that's why I pause it and edit it. I'll be pause this video. Yeah, after I'll pause it. Now I'll just copy and paste. Then here will be the bottom 4, and it's the ID is BT4, and in the same code BT5, and it will be method BT5, and the same case it will be for C, clear bottom. It will be ID is clear, bottom clear, and the method is on click method is method clear, and the same the case that I input or I design it. Now I'll be go for the Java code here. Now I need to declare the variable. First of all, you should know that, sorry, bottom. In bottom, how many bottom is here? btn 0, sorry, btn 1, btn 2, btn 3, and it will be either. Now I'll be copy and paste. Then it will be rename. After 3 it will be 4, and it will be 5, then it will be 6, and here will be 7. Then all will be copy and again paste. 7, it will be 8, 9. Then add bottom, subtraction, it will be sub. For multiplication it will be multi, and for division I'll be write the div. And now for equal, and it will be clean. Yeah, all bottom is taken. Now sorry, yeah, all bottom is created. Now here is a text view. Here will be, here will be text view. Sorry, I need to take the double type variable. It will be first num, then second num, second num, then it will be take the result. After it, I need to string type operation, where string type operation, it is also a variable. That's it. I'll be created its object. Yeah, it's object, bottom of object. Obviously I'll save it as this XML file, but there's no problem. I'll be different types text will be taken, but I've taken it in the same type. Now I need to make the mapping with find view ID. I will make for BT0. I will take it bottom. It will be bottom. Then find 6 time find view. Then r dot id dot XML file ID. need to write here XML file ID. Here is also btn and 0. Yeah, again it takes the time, it's working slowly. Yeah, it suggests me. In the same case, I need to write the all bottom for mapping by find view ID. Here will be 1 and here is the 1. It will be suggested to me. Then I will be again copy it and paste. Then here will be 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same case, here will be 2, 3, 4, here will be 5. In the same case, I'll be again it copy and paste. That's why I just pause it. Yeah, I completely write it for 0 to 9, and here is addition button, but btn add. Here is the it is the XML file ID and it is the Java file ID. And for equal, it will be btn equal and the one. Sorry, I didn't write for text. Sorry, text view display. I mean, I didn't create the object of text view. Yeah, it's created. Now I need to create the method public void, and it will be method for 0. That's why we write it. The method is 0. Here view. We should for viewing it, we must should write here the view. In the second part, just if you want it set up the view, then we will be write it view. Actually, it depends on you what you want to write here. They don't matter. I mean, it don't matter. Then I'll be string type input and recursion type input for storing the input, or I inputted from the user, Then display will be dot get text. I must explain it. Just write it firstly. Explain it. Sorry, and it will be 0. Yeah, and now we need to write display dot set text, and here will be input. It suggests me. Now I declare the string type of input, or I get from the text, and here I set up the 0. Set the 0. When I press the 0 button, then we get me the 0 from the display, which is already displayed, which is pressed by me, and it will be passed on the display. I mean, set means it will be display, and get means uh, taking the input, and it will be show, and it will be input. That means I show the input this type of input. Input will be display. In the same case, I'll be write for every bottom. That's why I'll be copy and paste, and again I have to pause this video, otherwise it will be very long time. I again pause. Yeah, I completed it. For method 0, I'll be take it for string type input, and it will be inputted, pass the parameter of the display. In the same case, I'll be write it the 0 to 9. Now I need to makes the another method for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the clean equal. We should write it now. Sorry, public void method add. Need to write the view, and it will be, sorry, view. Yeah, it will be writer. Then I should need the first name, and it will be first name equal. First of all, I'm going to write it, then I will explain it. Don't worry. First double, then I need to display dot get text, then to string. After it, write to display dot set text, and it will be null. Just I will passed the parameter, and operation will be fixed, that it will be for addition. That's why I'll be just add sign. Yeah, now I've taken I stored this input into first name variable. First of all, I take it the input as a string, and then it will be converted into double type. Then yeah, it will be complicated. Then I will need to copy it for sub, multiplication, division, and the clean. Yeah, I will write it for, and it's the very interesting for us. Sorry, that we need not change here. In every time it is the same. That's why we need not change here. We just change to here. It will be minus sign. Sorry, I'll be, no problem. That's serial maintains. I will take here minus, and it will be multiplications for multiplications, and it will be the multiplication sign. Yeah, I'll be here division, and it will be division sign, and it will be the clear. Yeah, clear. Just I pass this variable c. Now it's complicated. Now I need to take the another method, which is the equal method, and for using the equal methods, I'll be display the all output, otherwise we never can showing the output. That's why public void method equal method. Again, sorry, it will be capital letter view. And here I'll be declare a string type of variable as its name is it answer for storing the answer into the answer variable. I storing the output into the answer variable. That's why I taken the string type of answer. And the second RAM I store double in the same first double, and here will be display dot get text, and then it will be true string. Already I have explained it, but don't worry, I'll be show it. When in the secondly, when I press it, the second it will be stored in second num, and first of all it will be taken as the string, then string will be converted into double. Then I'll be use the switch case, and it will be pass the operation. That's it. The case will be the case, and I'll be the plus. Now I need to store the result. Will be the addition of first name and the second name. That's why I write it the first name plus second name. Then I must store the result, and it will be string type, and format will be string, and then I'll be dot 0f, then result. Yeah, it's written. Then I'll be display set text, and it will be the answer. What is the means of it? It means first of all we need to store the addition of first name and second name into result. Then result will be converted into string. Here will be string format. I will be use this, and it will be stored the answer variable. Then finally I'll be display on as output. So I pass the parameter of answer. Now I'll be copy and paste. For addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, it will be used for clean. This why I'll be just pause this video. Yeah, I complete it, and for every case it will be result. For addition it will be just add. For subtraction it will be subtraction sign, and multiplication for multiplication sign. That's it. That's no special. Yeah, and it will break, and difference is here. I just answer taking it when I press the C button, then it will be takes when newly takes the null. The other null, it will be the nothing. Then it will be, yeah, it will be say that it will be null type of uh, it will be say that null. That's why it will be display in display. It will be print the answer where into the answer it will be null. Thus I should run it, then you will understand what will be happened. I run it. Yeah, let's wait and see. Is it working or not? I don't know. Is it working or not? That's why I just run it. Then in a few time, yeah, it's run it. 1, 3, 4. Yeah, it's perfectly working. And when will be it will be cut? Yeah, nothing is here. It's working. 5 into 2 equal 10, and cut 9 divide 3 shown in 3. Yeah, it's perfectly working. It will be cut. It's after all, it's complicated. This calculator, I just review it. Yeah, in XML file, I just check the linear layout for using vertical orientation of vertical and the wide sum. It makes me easier for design this calculator. At the same time, I use the bottom right, and when I will be taking the input from the user, it will be bottom to right. That's why I write it, and it will be wrap content means I fixed this size, but mass parent means it takes the all positions to widely, and in this bottom type it will be written as the height is mass parent. That means how many positions is here, then all positions they taken it. That's it. And there are also different types of yeah, I'll be create the on click method. When I click it, then the connection with the display. That's why I use the on click method. And it will be the text view, the display. I mean, uh, actually text view on the bottom, it will be uh, create the object of the bottom and the text view, and is that just I declare the double type of first name and the sex name and second name and the result, and I using the string type of operations where I use the operation plus, minus, division, multiplication sign, blah blah blah, and it will be the I just mapping with the find view by ID, using find view by ID. This bottom all this is happening, and here is the method. It is working for checking the input. When I press the 0 button, then it takes the 0. That's it. And especially the addition, yeah, I'll be read right here. After it, when I pause it, then with view, sorry, inside the view, that's I am. See, it's right for my name, and I provides my name. That's im. I mean, it will be im. That's no matter. And actually, I have to mean that the as your own matter, which you want to write here. That doesn't matter. I just read it and write here, and it will be addition operation, addition, addition works, and here will be subtraction, multiplication, division, and the will be cut. That's it. Right. Again, I'll be run it and show for everyone. That's what it was. It at 6 time successfully install. Successfully finished. Then, sorry, I'll be run. Uh, is it run or not? Yeah, it obviously it will run. Just no matter. And just wait. Yeah, it's showing the errors. The as the notifications. There's no error. Maybe when I'll be press, then shown in the display press and press the plus button. Then it will be stored in plus as 8. 8 and 1 plus 8 equal 9. That is until card. It's perfectly working. And thank you everybody. Thanks for video. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.